Did you know that over 60% of DIY engine cleaners accidentally damage their car's electronics without realizing it? It is shocking, right? One wrong spray or a single drop of water in the wrong place can cause instant damage worth hundreds or even thousands of dollars. Most car owners think cleaning every inch under the hood makes their engine healthier. But the truth is, some parts are so sensitive that cleaning them does more harm than dirt ever could. In this video, we are going to discuss 7 engine parts that you should never clean. Let's get started. Number 7. The mass airflow sensor. The MAF sensor is like your engine's nose. It sniffs the air going in to adjust how much fuel gets burned. But here's the catch. If you try cleaning it with brake cleaner, WD-40, or even compressed air, you can instantly destroy its ultra-thin sensing wires. Once those wires are damaged, your engine will run rich or lean, your mileage will drop, and your check engine light will glow like a Christmas tree. If it gets dirty, only clean it with a dedicated MAF sensor cleaner and never touch the sensing element directly. One careless cleaning could turn your smooth-running engine into a sputtering mess. Number 6. The ignition coils and spark plug wells. If the MAF sensor hates chemicals, these guys hate water. Ignition coils generate thousands of volts to fire your spark plugs, but if you spray water or degreaser near them, that moisture can seep into the spark plug wells and create a short circuit. The result? Engine misfires, violent shaking, poor fuel economy, and in worst cases, total engine stall. You might even smell fuel in the exhaust because the plugs aren't firing correctly. Many DIY detailers make this mistake when washing their engine bay. They clean the valve cover area, unaware that water is pooling around the plugs. The fix is simple. Cover the coils and plugs with plastic wrap or aluminum foil before any cleaning. Even after washing, wait until the area is completely dry before removing the covers. That one precaution can save you hundreds in replacement coils. Number 5. The alternator. The alternator is metallic, but inside it's a maze of copper windings, diodes, and voltage regulators, all of which hate moisture. Spraying water or degreaser on it can short internal circuits, corrode connections. Many car owners make the mistake of pressure washing their engine bay, and then days later, wonder why the battery warning light appears, or why they hear a high-pitched whine. That's water damage working its magic. The alternator should never be soaked or sprayed. If it's dirty, simply brush off the dust or wipe the outer casing with a slightly damp cloth. Remember, it's an electrical generator, not a waterproof block of metal. Once moisture gets inside, your charging system's life expectancy drops fast. Number 4. The electronic control unit. The ECU is the brain of your car. It controls ignition timing, fuel injection, transmission shifting, and much more. But unlike your phone or laptop, it is not built to survive moisture or cleaning chemicals. A single mist of degreaser or splash of water near the ECU can fry its internal circuits in seconds. Some vehicles place it under the hood, while others tuck it behind panels. But in either case, it is not designed to get wet. Once it is damaged, you will face unpredictable behavior such as stalling, shifting issues, warning lights, or a completely dead car. Even professional detailers cover the ECU with plastic before washing the engine bay. If you need to clean nearby surfaces, use a dry microfiber towel. Treat it like a brain. It is smarter than it looks, but fragile beyond belief. Number 3. The throttle body. The throttle body controls how much air your engine breathes, and over time it gets gunked up with carbon. Cleaning it seems like a good idea, but only if you know how. Forcing the throttle plate open by hand on electronic systems can damage the internal motor gears or desynchronize the throttle position sensor. That's when you will experience rough idling, RPM surging, or complete throttle failure. Spraying too much cleaner can also flood the intake, leading to hard starts or a soaked sensor. The correct way is to turn off the ignition, spray a small amount of throttle body cleaner on a cloth, and gently wipe the bore. Let it dry before restarting. Done right, it improves idle smoothness. Done wrong, it turns into an expensive repair. Respect the throttle. It is your engine's lungs and muscles combined. Number 2. The oxygen sensors. Oxygen sensors are small but mighty. They tell your engine how rich or lean the exhaust gases are so it can fine-tune performance. However, they are built with ceramic tips coated in precious metals like platinum and palladium, which can be destroyed by cleaners, water, or even touching them. Many people think they can revive an old sensor with WD-40 or carb cleaner, but that only ruins it permanently. Once the coating is gone, the sensor loses its ability to read oxygen levels accurately. That means poor fuel economy, sluggish acceleration, and failed emissions tests. If your O2 sensor is failing, replacement is the only safe solution. Touching it might save you 5 minutes now but cost you hundreds later. Number 1. The pressure washing myth. Here is the ultimate trap most DIYers fall for. Pressure washing the entire engine bay. It looks satisfying, but it is mechanical suicide. Modern cars are packed with sensors, electrical connectors, and modules that were never designed for high-pressure water. Even sealed plugs can't handle the force of a 2,000 psi jet. Water sneaks into connectors, shorts circuits, corrodes pins, and causes long-term electrical gremlins. A car might run fine the day after a wash, but a week later, you will see random warning lights, rough idle, or a dead alternator. The right way is, use a damp microfiber towel, a soft brush, and gentle all-purpose cleaner. Slow, careful detailing beats quick power washing every single time. That's all for this video. So the next time you are tempted to make your engine bay sparkle, remember, some parts should never be touched. A shiny engine doesn't mean a healthy one. Keep your MAF sensor, alternator, ECU, and coils protected, and your car will reward you with years of reliable performance. Avoid the cleaning traps and you will spend more time driving and less time repairing. See you in the next video.